Hi everyone, this tutorial will be a part of a series on noun clauses, and this is video clip number 1. The first thing you need to know is that there are 3 types of noun clauses. There are clauses that begin with noun clauses that begin with that. There are if or whether or not noun clauses. And finally, there are clauses that begin with WH questions. The next thing you need to know, which is very important, is that a noun clause can be a subject, object, or complement of an object. It's a dependent clause that works like a noun. And I just said that it's a dependent clause. You must remember it is always dependent. If you're not sure what that means, it simply means that it cannot stand alone, and it must always, always, always be attached to a main clause or an independent clause. So a noun clause cannot stand alone. In other words, it is not a complete sentence. It is always dependent. Here are a few examples of noun clauses. Now notice that they must always be attached to a main clause. First sentence, my cousin thought that monsters were real. Here the noun clause is introduced by that. The girl wondered if she needed more money. The girl wondered whether she needed more money. And you can also say the girl wondered whether or not she needed more money. Or the girl wondered whether she needed more money or not. Finally, the students wondered why they had so much homework. Here the noun clause is introduced by a WH word, and there are 7 of those. Who, what, when, which, where, why, and how. Again, noun clauses are always dependent. They must always be attached to a main clause or an independent clause. And that concludes this video. Please be sure to follow me on Twitter, and thank you for watching.